Guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we got a Mazda 6 in front of us. Customer got a small little scrape. It wasn't her fault, but what actually happened here is a lot of the paint came off the other vehicle and got onto this vehicle. So I'm going to show you guys how to clean this. It's going to simply cost you $2.50. This is the parts cleaner, brake cleaner. You can pick this up from AutoZone, Pep Boys. You can order it online. It also comes in a different color. It might be a red bottle, green bottle, but it's just a parts cleaner. So what we're gonna do here is, I got a small little rag here. So you never want to spray this onto that because it will eat paint. But it's always a good idea. You could do this. Spray it onto your rag. Okay, let it submerge into your rag and watch this. It's probably gonna take you 3 minutes of cleaning. It's not gonna be like brand new, but at least it's good, okay? And you never want to spray this directly onto the vehicle, but spray it onto the rag and check this magic out. It's all going away. A little bit more on my... I don't have the best rag either, so try to get something soft. A towel, paper towels. Not paper towels, but like a bathroom towel will work good too. But check this out. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, a little bit more over here. I have a crappy rag, but that's fine. There you go. A little bit more here. And all it's doing is taking off the paint that came off the other vehicle and got onto this vehicle. And after that, you can get a little bit of touch-up paint and you can clean this baby up yourself. And I also want you to do one more thing after this. I want you to get a little bit of Windex or soapy water, spray that on, because you don't want that thing to eat out your paint, and just wipe it down really good, and you're all set and done. Bada bing, bada boom. Look at the difference before and after. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.